of them. Penman, you fit again. With a hot rhythm, yeah, them have to feature them. You see my friend, whether you're wild or nice, get your back for bed.
Hello everyone, this is Mullings from Written Mirror, AKA the Wicked Penman. Today's video is, I'd say it's a little bit different. We're going to call this one Drone Class, but it's not really me teaching you anything per se. I think we're going to be either learning together or you might be able to help me. I know there are a lot of drone enthusiasts out there and people that know a lot about drones, and this is a video kind of inviting you to, if you've got the knowledge, then please by all means share it. And by sharing, I mean sharing in the comments, or just let me know. I'm going to point out a few factors and things I'm considering before I get a drone, and it would be my pleasure if you could, like I say, if you can help with the decision, or if you have any knowledge, please pass it on. I'm not an expert in drones. I just know what I know about filmmaking and then somewhat apply that loosely to drones. So this is going to be a rather brief video. I'm not going to be talking for ages and ages. Let me just quickly mention some of the factors that I'm going to be considering. Number one would be price, obviously, for obvious reasons. So let me just go through the factors and then we can kind of get into them. Future proofing. I don't want to buy something and then next week I find out there's something new out that's better, and then it's, destroyed the value of what I've gotten. Ease of use. It's got to be easy to just pick up and use. Like I'm not trying to be spending ages trying to learn and figure out how these things work. As far as I'm concerned, I've played Grand Theft Auto all my life. I should be able to fly a drone the same way. Purpose, what's it for? In my case, it'll be cinematic filmmaking, but also there may be an element of, like, I can imagine being able to be outside and doing my YouTube videos and having my drone track me or keep me in perspective, for instance, or while I'm traveling to a location to shoot, to have the drone follow and so on and so forth. That'd be great. Night flight, I'd say that's important as well, because it's something to consider. I mean, I guess I could have the option of having a really good drone that's good in the daytime and then renting a nighttime drone if I ever needed one. But if there is a way of combining both, then that's obviously what I'm going to be interested in. Post-production, how easy it is to color grade, to make it look extra special, extra cinematic, just like what you're seeing now on your screen. Before I go, let me just finish this and then I've got a couple of shout outs to make. File quality, the quality of what the drone can produce in terms of raw files and color information. So that's also important to me. And then things like, the size, how portable it is, how easy it is to take around with you, how many further accessories you need to be able to get the best out of it, because that's obviously like a stealth tax, like it's a cost you have to consider. And then I guess the final thing, and that's what I'm hoping that people can help me with today, is the eye test. Like I said, as I'm recording this voiceover, I wanted to be able to do this on screen, but it's raining out here, and yeah, that's so it's an indoor video today, I'm afraid. But like I was about to say earlier, shout out to I believe it's Tom's Tech Time and Moment, the channel Moment. Actually, I'm going to link their channels in the description. You can go on their page and source some of these clips for yourself. Everything that you see on the screen here is shot with DJI products. Some of it is handheld. I shot with a DJI Osmo Pocket, and then the rest are from various DJI drones. The reason I'm not going to tell you what drones they are is because I just want an eye test. I just want you to look at something, just look at the various images. I've graded them myself. I've added a color grade and corrected them myself, but I'm not trying to tell you what is what. It would just be nice if you could just look at it and tell me with your honest opinion which images and which videos look the best. That's what I'm mostly interested in this video. I'm watching it now as we're speaking, and some of it I will recorrect as much as possible. There's like one or two nighttime clips, but as it is, I've not added any stabilization. I've not done anything to the footage per se, apart from the colors. That's all I've kind of tampered with. I think maybe I slowed down one clip, but that's it. It's as is. And what I did notice, looking at the raw footage of a lot of these, is I don't know if, I'm not trying to get sidetracked here, but I'm not sure if, well, some of the drones, I'm sure they don't allow you to correct like the white balancing settings, and the ISO settings and so on and so forth. So there was a lot of noise, and I don't have a dedicated denoising software package. So that's another thing that I guess you've got to consider on top. Like if you want to do like nighttime photography, so on and so forth, you also got, I guess I got to think about adding ND filters, because the reason I haven't used all of the clips that I've gotten. I've used some of them, and I had to cut parts of it because there were parts where there was like light inconsistencies and so on and so forth, and I could see that they weren't being shot with polarizers or anything on top. So that's, I guess, another thing to consider. But yeah, please check the videos. Please tell me what's your favorite clip and why. It will help me a lot because I'm trying to figure this stuff out myself right now. So yeah, favorite clip, favorite colors, or whatever it is, whatever the case may be. I'm Jay Mullings from Written Mirror, and I'm out. Oh yeah, please like and subscribe. Need that support. Thank you.